Number 1, say my name in Yoruba. Destin ni oroko mi. Number 2, the tones in Yoruba. There are 3 tones in Yoruba. Do, re, mi. Number 3, how to say your family members' names in Yoruba. ABG, Agbo Okori, Oboro Obori, Baba Iya and Iya. Number 4, how to say the names of your clothes that you're wearing in Yoruba. Well, for me, I'm wearing sheti shirt, pata pants, jacket. I'm gonna get a jacket right now, and abotale underwear. Number 5, and say goodbye in Yoruba. Odabo.
Ni roku mi. The 3 tones in Yoruba are do, re, mi. The names of your family members are Ibeji, Baba, Iya, Abon, Egban, and Egban. The parts of your body are Oju, Ori, Irun, Imu, Eti, Inu, Iyi, Egban, Eya, Ikana, Eke, Ete, Ijika, Itan, and Orunkun. So now I will put on this hat. So I will sori, fila. And finally, goodbye. Double.